Nicole Whitney, and I'm going to walk you through setting up your first Class Dojo page. Class Dojo is a web-based tool that you can use in order to monitor student behavior in the classroom, as well as student progress and parent contact. It is a great tool to use from pre-K all the way up through about 7th grade. I teach 6th grade and 8th grade, and my 6th graders are still pretty receptive to it, and parents are very receptive to it as well, because it's a great way for them to monitor student behavior progress, because that's still just as important as grade progress. So, the first step that you're going to take in order to create your Class Dojo is to choose which web browser you would like to use. You can choose whichever is on your desktop presently. Examples might be Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, Safari, etc. I'm going to stick with Google Chrome today. Once you've chosen which web browser you want to use, you're going to access Class Dojo by typing it into the search engine. So you just type in classdojo.com and hit enter, and it will take you to the Class Dojo homepage. Once you've reached this page, you're going to sign up for an account. In order to sign up for an account, you need to click this button right here that says sign up as teacher, parent, or student. And today you are accessing or defining your role as a teacher. So, in order to create this account, you need to enter your name. So I'm going to enter my name as Miss Nicole Whitney, as well as your email, and a password that you can remember but is still secure. Once you've created and entered your name and your email as well as your password, you're going to hit sign up. Remember that your email and this password are going to be what you use to log on again later. Alright, so once you have entered all that information and saved it, you will be brought to your home page. Now it's time to create your classes. So in order to create your first class, you need to hit this box right here, hit the plus there, and we are in the process of setting up our classes. So the first step while we're setting up our classes is to choose an icon for your class. Since I teach earth science, I'm going to just click this little earth right here, and that will be my icon. These are important if you teach more than one class because it helps you identify your class as well as your name. If you have more than one period, it might be a good idea to just label your classes first, second, third, fourth, fifth, or you can name them whatever you want or get creative with it. I'm just going to name this class Miss Whitney's Earth Shakers. And you also need to select the year that you are creating this Class Dojo page for. So I teach 6th grade. And then once you've chosen your icon, your name, and the year, you're going to hit this blue Create My Class button. Now it's time to enter student names. You're going to locate the box that says Type Student Names. And as you type, an additional box is going to come up. So right here, once this box pops up and you have entered the name and spelled it correctly, you're going to click it and you will get an icon for your student. So enter your entire role. And then once your entire role is entered, you will scroll down and hit this blue next button. Now, you need to edit your positive behaviors. These are the behaviors that you're rewarding and giving kudos for. If you want to edit a behavior that's already existing, then you just need to click on it and edit it. So I'm just going to change this one. I think I like this icon. If you want to change it, you just click on the icon and pick another one. And since I'm doing 6th grade, I'm going to change this working hard to staying on task. Once you've changed the icon and you've changed the behavior, you can just hit save. If you would like to add behaviors as well, you can just hit this blue button right here. Again, you're going to change the icon. So again, since I'm using 6th grade and this is a big issue with 6th graders, I'm going to name this one using time wisely and then hit save. Now, once you've gotten all of the positive behaviors you would like to reward your students for, then you need to work on your needs work behaviors. So you're going to find this box right here, needs work, click on it. Again, in order to edit one, you just click on it. If you need to change the icon, you can do that. And type in your behavior and hit save. Again, if you want to add another behavior, then you can add a behavior. Change your icon, type in your behavior, and hit save. Next, you will hit the next button, and this is the step where you can create your invitations in order to connect with parents and students. You can always do that later. Now, you're done and you're ready to start awarding points. So in order to access your class, you just click on it, and I have all of my students here. If I want to award Chad with a positive behavior for staying on task, I just click on Chad's name and I hit on task, and they get a cool little sound that goes with it. If I want to award multiple students awards because more than one student is doing the same correct thing at a time, then you hit award multiple students and click all the students who are doing as you asked, give award, and award them for what they were doing correctly. If you need to demerit or give a negative behavior, you just click on that student, and I'm going to pick on Leslie. And Leslie needs work and staying on task, so she's off task, and I will demerit her. And all my students, when they hear that sound, they know somebody is not doing what they're supposed to, so it kind of refocuses them. Now again, if you need to demerit multiple students, or you can do the same thing. If you have multiple students talking out of turn, you select them and then demerit them or give them a needs work. Now you are done and ready to keep working on your Class Dojo page and keep working on that positive behavior and positive learning environment, and just keep using this tool as a great way to monitor student behavior as well as to document student behavior. Thank you.